Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how can you enable performance mode onto Fortnite. Basically what performance mode is, it's a really great mode that Fortnite integrated in a long time ago that is actually useful for low to mid-end PCs that struggle with the game while they're playing Fortnite. So I'll show you how you can do this. So basically you're going to hop on your settings, and once you're in settings you're going to display, and from display you're going to scroll down until the last option display, which is called rendering mode. Now rendering mode is going to be either DirectX 11 or DirectX 12. So basically you're going to switch it to the left if you're DirectX 11, 12 to the left, or if you're DirectX 11 to the right. And once you flick it to the right or the left, you're going to find something called Performance Mode, Low Graphical Fidelity. And once you click Apply on that, it's going to ask you to restart the game. Once you restart the game, Performance Mode is going to be activated. You're going to find significantly boost in performance, but the rendering modes and the graphics settings are going to be much more limited, and you're not going to be able to play the Fortnite as high as which is with the graphics as high as it can be. And I'm currently now on performance to show you how builds work and how you can see guns. Okay, you can see guns. It's actually not that bad. It's actually going to help you so much in the performance. And yeah, that was everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if that helped you, drop a comment and say thank you for helping me. And yeah, see you later.